welcome to my YouTube channel. So apparently I was just preparing myself and I was like, oh, why not record this? Anyways, I'm having a good time by listening to dance hall music and all. Yeah, this is just a cool simple look for a cool girl who anyways isn't planning to use much of her makeup. So I'm starting off with my toner. This is Zabiha. Anyways, as we dive into that, please make sure that you do like this video, shares out there, talk to me in the comment section, and subscribe so that I don't know more limit, but anyways, let me just relax, calm down. So basically, just subscribe to this channel so that you do not miss out on any trending topics, Kenyan reacts, tutorials, good times, good vibes. So I go in. Actually, this is one of the most expensive things I've bought for my makeup and whatever. Most of the other things are normally gifts, presents. So I go in with it like that, a little bit, just like that. You use cotton to go in, but my hands are clean, so make sure that you always clean your hands. Then make sure it settles in. Alright then. Actually, I'd also drawn my lips with the line like that. I pencil liner, and then afterwards I'm going in with this oil and acne control cream. It's a moisturizer. It serves so many things. I'm actually preparing to do a video on Castle and the advantages and the disadvantages. You know, I have used it before for my skin, for my face. I've used different products, so I'm going to be doing a product review. Make sure you do subscribe so that you don't miss out on that. Inandani, massage your face, Oh. So the next thing I'm going in with is this primer sleek. Actually, most people prefer to use like the same company products, but for now I bought them during different times, and then if someone is giving you a gift or something, if they're not that, you know, into your business, they will not know the company that you prefer. So I'm going in with a primer. Looks like it looks like mucus. Mucus like that. A primer is really good. Most of the times people apply it below, but I do apply it right there so that it can hold firm my makeup. Oh, whoa. Then the next thing is I am going to, you see, I had drawn the eye pencil, the eyebrows like this. You just draw two lines, following how your hairs are shaped, and then you fill in like that. I always do like this to try and make sure they are all the same. So this is what was also a gift with. This is my foundation, waterproof foundation. So hata mtu akikupeleka simu aseme anataka kuona ama itatoka, it will still remain. I have the foundation, is the one I'm going to use. And also I have the pro concealer here, black opal. Oh my goodness, and I'm really mixing these things. This is Kiss Beauty Matte, but this is black opal. We're going to use it to line the eyebrows. Okay, this is my camera. Oh, ilitolewa hapa ndikuandikwa na mtoto wa bishte yangu. She had come to visit, and then the pen, you know. But look, you really have to look for that thing that covers it. It doesn't look that amazing. Okay, so like that, you just apply something like that, just shape it, and then apply around the eyes like that. Quick, whoop. The other side, we can actually try and unite like that. I'm also going to do a tutorial on what do we call these? A tutorial on bandana. I see they're doing very well, the 2-pack clips. That's not for my Kenyan audience, that is for my United States and UK audience. Yeah, it's been so long, and I haven't uploaded anything for them. All I've been doing is for the Kenyan audience. We're back in 9 days and we're already at 8K. Back in 9 days. Imagine if I was seriously active with this YouTube channel, you guys, it could blow up. Or I should be active 9 days. And wait, what am I doing? 9 days and we have reached 8K. My goodness, that was amazing. Last time when we got to like 7K, we actually celebrated with my friends. I even cut cake. Now this time my friends moved. One moved to Nairobi, the other one moved to Mombasa. Damn. Mimi ndo tu move. So this is the you can use the concealer to do this, or now this, or the foundation, but me I normally use whichever is near me. So I'm doing this with this part. I'm doing this with the foundation. This around my eyes. Now we need something too. I don't know. I should use. I use this brush used for this orbit. I love using the brush right there to, you know, bake. I guess most of the times, the eye whatever, this is where you spend most of the time, the moments. Once you're done with like this part, you're like done. Now what am na 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 na. Alafu nipate sijafinya camera start. I cannot redo, just continue with the next thing. I remember there was a time before I graduated, I was doing a makeup video. And then I told you guys, I don't know where I'm going. I don't know what life has installed for me now that I've graduated. And I was like, wait, I'll come back and tell you. But let me tell you mine. This, I'm going back with the foundation. But let me tell you mine. So the foundation. I'm not doing too much. No, not me, not too much. Because it's just for the video. I'm not going anywhere. Although I've seen my friends texting me, you know, it's on a weekend. I need to brush this part a little bit. I'll brush it, I think. So this is what I'm doing, you know. And then this one is where the concealer is brighter, so I just use it right here to make that line kidogo like that. Da, 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 da. Do you know you have hair on your face? Na 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 na. Now it's time to bake. This is normally this is another minute that takes forever, the baking and all. Na na na. So I guess niombe naweza kukuwa active vizuri YouTube. Tumerudi 9 days na tumeingia 9. Sijui nijipeleke out leo venye nafanya makeup kama nifanye aje. What do I do? This one was a gift. Nice. It was a gift. It was a whole package with so many others. Mimi na watu kuna gifts man. Napenda gifts by the way. Niende TikTok Na 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 na. We can use this is called a blending sponge to blend in your product. So baby, tonight midnight will lose control. When I say simple, I really mean simple makeup, natural. Let me show you. Then I think I should go in with the eyeliner. Oh, this is the eyeliner, the one that comes in two, with a mascara and an eyeliner on the other side. I'm just going to do a little bit, a small one, a small line. I'm not going to do the wing or anything. Just here. Let me tell you mine now. It doesn't want to be done. No. No. To subscribe to my YouTube channel as we alluta continue. I told you it's quick, easy fix. Do I do eyeshadow? I'll show you a trick. My lips are kinda. So this is what I don't even know. What brand is this? Lip gloss. It's very cheap. At wholesale, I get it at 30 shillings, but it's sold at I think 50 shillings or 100 shillings. But at wholesale, I always buy it at 30 shillings. So basically, the next thing is we do in a little bit of a powder. So I'm going in with the green tea powder. It was also a gift. Hey, what's your love language? Nikaambia mtu gifts. Akaniambia, "Hiyo si hivyo. Love language ni ile kitu yenye unafanyanga mtu ndio anaona unampenda." So sasa wewe na mimi nani amesomea ile kitabu ya love language mse? Na anacheka. The audacity. Ni ya leo. So you can use this one. Me especially I realized like hapa chini ya macho I normally forget to kuweka the pons, and so at times when I'm on camera unaona like hapa hivi pako oily than the face, you know, because I literally have like an oily face. So the next thing, if you need to put on eyeshadow, mimi naguza kadini hapa Miss Rose Professional Makeup whatever, this color, this one, or this lippy Miss Rose Professional Makeup. Nakaya all brands ziko represented hapa. So what I do is nikishaguza hivi yenye imebaki mimi siendie eyeshadow huko. I just tap here. Ni ya leo. Nobody's gonna know. They'll know. Umeona hiyo video? So we are done with that part. The next one is kuweka lashes. But mimi sijaweka lashes. I don't eka lashes. Niale. All I do is use the mascara. Anakata kufunguka. Sasa ningekuwa na mwanaume hapa niombe. Baby, fungulia hapa. Anyways, nimeguza mapua. So that's how you do your lashes. Ooh, we don't want to look different. So very different. So it's so easy. Imagine doing makeup is that easy. You don't need so many things. You don't even need so many. Please make sure that you do subscribe, okay, to our YouTube channel. Like,